trying out the auto hair curler on my hair and will also share what I liked and what I didn't like about this. Take thin section of hair and feed into the curler. This one has 3 heat settings for making loose, medium and tight curls. I have chosen medium heat setting, and after 8 to 10 seconds what comes out is a perfect looking curl. Repeating on other sections as well. Talking about what I liked about this auto hair curler. Well, the curls are just perfect and almost instant. So you don't need to wrap your hair around a curling wand, and it saves a lot of effort. Now talking about what I didn't like about it. This auto curler is more suitable for short and medium length hair. Long to very long hair gets stuck because of the narrow space around the roller. The machine is designed in such a way that only thin hair section get inside the roller. This is why sectioning takes a lot of time. Also, I wish the quality of the plastic body could have been better because it gets very hot in a very short span of time. But still, it's a great device for such a price. If you wish to buy it, then I've shared the buying links in the description box. So do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.